So hey, what's up YouTube, this is Rough Rider and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in RA Colony and I'm here to show you my new exhaust. It's an Akrapovic Carbon slip-on full system, stainless steel Akrapovic pipes. Just got this exhaust 2 weeks back and I'm in love with it. I'm in love with the bike. Bike is so much smooth and lovely now. So I chose this exhaust because I didn't really want a very loud exhaust. So that's why I chose this particular one. It is called the Carbon slip-on. And I think it looks lovely. Really suits the bike. So I would like to talk a few things about the exhaust. Now this exhaust had a baffle in over here. And the problem was that the baffle was welded inside the exhaust. So you cannot remove it because of the Euro 4 emissions and stuff. But still, there are two ways to remove that baffle. First thing, you will have to take these rivets out, take out the carbon tip and then remove the baffle from the inside. Or you could drill a hole over here. Now you see there's a hole over here. So you could drill a hole over here and then remove the baffle. Now in this one the hole was already drilled, so it looks pretty bad. It's not noticeable, but it does look bad because there's a hole in your exhaust. So Akrapovic basically provided us with these rubber plugs. So you could just basically plug it in over here and it automatically looks good. So Akrapovic knew people are going to do such kind of stuff. So they give a nice option of these plugs. Well, putting it back in is a pain in the ass. So anyways, let's hear this exhaust now. The bike is already warmed up, so no issues. I can drive it. Yep, a little bit pops and crackles too. Lovely. Sounds beautiful. As you can see, it's not very loud like those SCCRT cans. It is just perfect. I'll ride the bike and show you how it actually sounds, and then we'll put a few flybys. And as you can see, other than the Acra, I've put some RNG parts on the bike. So there's RNG frame sliders, there is a radiator guard, spools. Then my good friend Nikhil gifted me those front fork protectors from Vomitech. I got tech spec tank pad and side grips, or traction pads as you call it. I got mirrors from AliExpress. Those are pretty damn good mirrors. I love them. Those are actually the replica of Rizoma ones, which Royal Jordanian uses. And one tail tidy is pending. It's not available, but hopefully I'll get it soon. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. I hope you like this one, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye bye.